Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to talk about solving rational equations. In order to solve a rational equation, first thing we really want to do is get rid of that denominator. So we want to multiply by the least common denominator. For this one, the least common denominator, since 5 and x plus 2 don't have anything in common, the least common denominator is 5 times x plus 2. So I'm going to multiply everything by 5 times x plus 2. This first term is going to be multiplied by 5 times x plus 2. The second term is going to be multiplied by 5 times x plus 2. And this third term is going to be multiplied by 5 times x plus 2. This first term becomes 5 times x plus 2 times the 1. And it's still over x plus 2. I'll put it in parentheses. Plus the second term is x plus 1 times 5 times x plus 2. And that's over 5. And the last one is 1 times 5 times x plus 2. And now we can do some simplifying. These common factors can be canceled, and these can be canceled. And that's the reason why we multiplied by the least common denominator, so that we could cancel out those denominators. First term is just 5, because 5 times 1 is 5. The second term is x plus 1 times x plus 2. And this last term is 5 times x plus 2. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to bring it up here. So I just rewrote it up here so I have more room. Now I'm going to bring down the 5. I'm going to have to FOIL this out. So I have x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 1 times x is x. And 1 times 2 is 2. And similarly, I have to distribute the 5, so I get 5x plus 10. I'll include a link up above for more examples of how to do the distribution I just did, if that was confusing. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So the 5 and the 2 can be combined to give me 7. The 2x and x can be 3x. And the x squared is an x squared. And that equals 5x plus 10. Since I have an x squared term and an x term, I want to set it equal to 0 and bring everything to one side. In order to do that, I will subtract 5x from both sides. And I'm lining it with the x value here. And I'll subtract 10 from both sides, and I'm going to line that up with the 7 here. This all becomes 0, because the 5x cancels and the 10s cancel. 7 minus 10 is negative 3. 3 minus 5x is negative 2x, and the x squared is just brought down. Now I need a factor. In order to factor, I need two numbers that multiply to negative 3 and add to negative 2. Those two numbers are negative 3 and positive 1. If this step right here, where I went from this trinomial and factored it, if that didn't make sense, I'll include a link up above for a video that explains that. Now at this point, we're basically done. We have two factors being multiplied by each other to set equal to 0. So that means either x plus 1 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. And if we solve for each of these, subtract 1, add 3, we get x equals negative 1 or x equals 3. And that is the answer to the question. We just found out if we plugged in negative 1 into here or here, it would be true. Or if we plugged in 3 into those two x's, it would be true. That's pretty cool. We just solved this. If you want to try more of these, I have this page on andymath.com. I'll include a link down below in the description. And it has several more you can try out, and they all have answers. There's also related pages for more stuff you can do with rational expressions. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And comment below if you have any math questions. I'll try to take a look and help you out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.